Yeah, I was sitting on the bench with a heartache, waiting for my chance, waiting for my fast break. Basketball was my passion by far. My passion for that died hard. Then I met Van C, that was my chance, no plan B. Yeah, in high school everyone's so opinionated. Looking back, that's the one thing I fucking hated. Well, the kids in my class would laugh at me. To be honest, man, that ripped out the heart of me. But I knew I had a gift and it would take time. No one gave me a chance, I had to take mine. What up, kids? Yeah, I love you all, but I don't know why you all gotta judge us for. Hell yeah, I know I'm not the best at it. It's just something my heart's invested in. Rap something that makes my heart beat. And dudes twice my age wanna start beef. I can't change the past, it's a part of me, but I ain't the same, and I know it's hard to see. I was young, I was dumb, I didn't know a lot, and in a way you could say I was showing off. That's when all the cracks started to crumble. I realized the main thing was stay humble.
We're under pressure, under pressure. We're under pressure, under pressure.
Good. Get ready for the next round.